YouTube? It's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel. I'm here for another wig review, and as you guys seen by my title, this is going to be an unboxing for Megalook Hair. So I received my wig in the mail like not too long after they said they were sending it. I honestly got it within like a couple days. So that's good. So you guys, Megalook is a AliExpress hair company, and today in this box I have a water wave short lace frontal wig that they sent to me. It's like really cute pattern from what I've seen online on AliExpress for this wig, so I can't wait to unbox this and see what I have inside. The boxing is really nice, the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up now. And they have all their social medias linked here too. And I'll link this stuff down below as well for you guys. So the box is really nice. So I have this little brochure of like hair factory profile and like different things like about how like different types of wigs, like 360s and all of that different stuff. Like nice, good like hair tips in here. Also received a wig cap. Then I have the actual wig. And to the side, I have a pair of lashes. Y'all know how I love lashes, so that's cute. So let me go ahead and open up this wig for you guys. Just so that I don't tell you guys the wrong information, I'm gonna look at my iPad real quick just to give you guys all the specs on this hair. So like I said, it's a water wave short lace frontal. It comes in 180% density or 210% density. It's up to you guys what you choose. You know, that also affects your price when you order it. It comes in 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14. Mine's is 14 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And you guys, this is super curly, like super duper curly. There's so much static on this actual like neck, it won't come off my hand. So already off rip, this is how the wig looks. The curl is super nice. Now I hope like after like it's washed and wet, it stays the same. And I'll do an update video, as well as I'm gonna do a video where I apply a frontal and maybe style it a little bit for you guys too. So, but okay, off rip, let me just say that the actual lace is so nice. Like, do you see that? Like, I don't feel like I would have to bleach this, if that makes sense. Like, it's really like translucent to where it would look just like my skin, because that's my hand in there. So that's really nice. Also, the parting for right here is realistic too, without me having to do anything extra. It looks like it's pre-plucked edges. It looks like it has pre-plucked edges from what I can see on here. It's a nice little like hairline design too, versus like straight across. It's like a nice little. So this cap is a lace frontal, as I stated before. So obviously the top half is lace front and the back half is going to be sewn on tracks. But the lace parting space is a good amount right here. You see that? And then the front has this amount of space as far as like where you want your parts. But as far as like deep parts, it's like mostly here in the center. It has 2 combs in the front on the sides, and 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. So I'm just gonna put it on my head now and show you guys what it looks like without like cutting the lace off. Oh, you guys, I was wrong. There was a comb hiding. It's 1 comb right here in the middle at the front. So it's the 2 on the side, and it's 1 right here in the middle. So it was hiding from me. My bad. So this hair is like super duper black. You guys know that I don't really do black hair, so I might have to dye it, but this is how it looks on me without cutting off the lace. Like I said, that lace was very realistic. My cap is like way back to the back, so I know you see that, but it's very realistic looking. The curls are so freaking cute. Oh, I love it. Now this was 14 inches and the curls are like still super tight right now. So I feel like if I watered this, if I wet the ends, it would like stretch way more than this. But it's super duper nice. The way it feels, the texture of it, it's really thick. Like this is so thick, y'all. You know how sometimes you get wigs and they're just like really thin. This is so thick, especially with the curls. Like it's really, really thick. Now I will say I am getting a little bit of shedding though. If you can see that. Just a little bit of shedding. So let me go ahead and cut the lace off and put it back on and show you guys. But like I said, this is an unboxing, so I'm not really gonna like style it or pluck it or anything like that. Like that'll be in another video for this hair. This is just an initial review unboxing video. So I will have another video about this hair coming soon, but give me 1 second to cut off the lace and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've cut off the lace and I'm back. I cut it off camera because you guys have seen me cut lace off of wigs multiple times. If you haven't, just check out any of my wig reviews before. You should see some of that on there. This is how the part naturally falls. And like I said, I'm not gonna style it all the way on here because I'm gonna do another video where I do that for you guys. I did also wet the ends of the hair. But I love this curl pattern. Like, tell me if you guys love this curl pattern as well. I actually don't feel too bad about it being black either. I need me a good black wig, so I think I might leave this as black for now. For now. So, other comments about the wig from my initial review. Does it smell? I know that's another good question. Does it smell? Honestly, it has a scent, but it's not like stink. It doesn't stink like anything. It just smells like hair, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't smell like corn chips or any of that other nasty stuff that usual hair smells like Frito-Lays and like all that stuff. It doesn't smell like that at all. It actually smells pretty nice. It just smells like hair. And like I said, this is straight out the box. Like I haven't washed or conditioned this or anything. It's just straight out the pack. Like just pulled it out from the FedEx packaging, like literally. So I initially really like this. I like the curl. I just want to wash it and stuff to see if this pattern remains as curly as it is. It's supposed to be a water wave, so it's supposed to be kind of loose, but to me I feel like these curls are really thick still. But now that I've added some water, they are starting to like, at first they were more like now they're starting to like, you know, do their own little thing, and I like it. I think it's cute. I didn't put a lot like back here, so back here is still pretty tight. Like, you see what I'm saying? How it's kind of like more tight in the back, and up here where I've added the water, it's more like a loose, cute little wave. I like that. So it is water wave, so it's gonna do that all over the hair. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this hair. Like I said, I received this from Megalook. I really do like this wig. It don't even look like not real. It looks like it could be my hair off my head right now. It's how it looks. But I am going to maneuver it just a little bit. My ear tabs come like to here, so that's actually like pretty perfect the way it like fits on my head right now. I might pluck the edges a little bit, because even though it's pre-plucked, it's still like, it's pre-plucked, but you can't really tell. Like it's not like super duper like how some people go out of control, which I actually don't like when it looks like that, because it looks more like bald in the front. But I am going to pluck it a little bit more than what it is, and probably do a video where I style it. So my next video with this hair, I'm either going to do different hair looks with it, or I'm just going to show you guys how to apply a lace frontal, because I've never did that for you guys, show you guys how to apply a lace frontal. But Anyway, that's it for this unboxing of the Megalook Hair. Like I said, I will have everything linked in the description box below. This is AliExpress hair, and the price for this wig starts at $80 something. I have that link below as well. So like I said, there are different options you can choose from when selecting this wig, and I know that it goes up based on those selections that you choose. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.